babes, it's Alethea and welcome to this vlog. Before I start showing you guys all my montage and kind of chaotic videos I have for this week's vlog, I want to introduce a new product to you guys just really quickly. If you guys are a jewelry lover like I am, I got sent this beautiful piece of jewelry that I'm gonna unbox for you guys. This brand, I believe, is pronounced like jeulia, like jewelry, jewels, maybe. I'm so sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but I wanted to unbox this beautiful piece for you guys because I think it is just gonna be such a great addition to my jewelry collection, and I would love to get you guys to check out this website. I will say that this jewelry is really high quality, so it's not just gonna be like $20 or $10 pieces. This is definitely a high quality, not gonna tarnish type of jewelry, and I think that type of jewelry is totally worth it in the long run. I've really been trying to get into more high quality jewelry instead of just buying the same pair of earrings from Target or Forever 21 over and over and over. So if you have a bad habit doing that and want to save up for some really great pieces, this is gonna be awesome. As you see, it says premium artisan jewelry, and it is such nice packaging. When you open it, it has just the little info cards and really goes into depth about where the pieces come from. If you are buying this as a present, they do a favor of including a cute little baggie in here for you. Then it has the actual piece. I'm loving the matte black vibe, honestly. This is like really satisfying. I just got a plain little tennis bracelet that is silver, sterling silver. It is such a beautiful piece. I cannot express that enough, and there's such a cute detail on this bracelet where these are literally hearts. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but these are hearts instead of just plain jewels, and I love this so much. So yeah, as you guys can see, this looks so pretty on my wrist, and I have really been getting more into silver jewelry, so this is such a good just piece to have. So thank you to Jeulia Jewelry. Again, I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, but thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful piece. So if you want to check them out, make sure you check description as well as for some possible discount codes that might be on the way. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the rest of this vlog. Okay guys, so I actually want to show you some really cute things lately that I've got for my apartment. So I'm going to kind of just walk you around. So these two little flower pillows, I know, super trendy, super freaking cute. This one's a little warped, like this guy's kind of warped looking, but you might have seen these in my Shein haul, or you're going to. I can't decide if that's gonna be posted before this or not, but I just got these. And from Five Below, I really love these little disco ball like string lights. Now I think you put batteries in these and they light up, but I just like the way they look plain. So I have those also. Let me walk you over to my kitchen. I have them up here as well. So I just have one like dangling, and then these are at the top, and then I got that same little plant that I think I showed you guys these last night and added that to my fridge. And I just think it looks really cute. I don't know. And then I finally got some lights for my balcony and a nice little like bistro table. So that's been super cute lately. I really need to fluff my couch. I know, I'm sorry. But I just wanted to show you guys a couple really cute things I've gotten. I need another piece that's like checkered to kind of match the energy of my rug down here. So I don't know when and where I'm going to get that. I also have finally added some curtains to my room. Thank God. I've had these sheer curtains for literally ever, and it looks so nice and just honestly brightened up my room, and I just hung those up with some command strips. So yep, really random, but just wanted to show you guys that. I figured I would show you the newest member of my family. He's actually right here. His name is Bean. Yes, his name is Bean. He is a black short-haired tabby, and I freaking love him. He's adorable. Mwah. He's in a very playful and crazy mood right now, so I'm not going to hold him up too long because he is playing with one of my hair ties right now, but I will show you guys a few pictures right now. Bean said hi. Yes, I adopted him. I did not get him from a breeder or anything. One of my athletes actually fosters kittens, and I got him from her. So shout out to her if you're watching this, but yeah, I love him, and that's kind of just like a quick life update. You will be seeing him in my vlogs a lot. But I'm going to go thrifting. I have really gotten a lot of inspiration lately, and I haven't gone to the thrift store in forever. So I'm just gonna show you a quick snapshot of some of the Pinterest ideas I have, and then I will jump straight into just a montage of video of me actually going to the thrift store and shopping. So I will see you guys after I'm done thrifting. Okay, so I've really been into finding like old crock pots and stuff, and I'd assume that this works. But if it even doesn't, like, look how sick that vintage, and I know that's vintage, so don't get on me for saying vintage. Look at this old crock pot. Like, oh my gosh. Okay guys, I am back, and really quickly before I go to the gym, I wanted to show you what all I got at the thrift store. It's really not like a clothing haul, it's more like decor and kitchen items. I will show you the clothing items first though. Okay, first two items is from my thrift store. God, I don't remember what it's called. It's kind of like a hole-in-the-wall thrift store. It's not like a Salvation Army or Goodwill. And I got this jean skirt, and these are like super in right now, and it fit me really well. It's like a brand new Lee denim, technically a skirt because it has little lining on the inside, but I'm going to cut it just to be a little bit more of like a mini skirt, just for really cute to like go out to eat with the girls or something. So yeah, just cute jean skirt. And then I got this really cute little purple flowy ruffly top. This is definitely a teacher shirt, but I thought it was really cute. And I like loose clothing when I'm teaching because I just hate being like super constricted, and I get really sweaty in my classroom. Yeah. This next thing I got is a swimsuit item. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm not weird about getting swimsuits at thrift stores. I feel like it is what it is. You're gonna wash it anyways. Just give it like a deep wash. I don't know. It's a normal swimsuit top, and you can't really see it, but the middle is tied together in a little loop, and I just thought it was really cute. It fit really well. And this last clothing item I got, I actually am obsessed with. It was half off, which I'm very glad because it was $6.99, but this is just a hot pink little, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the NYC is like embroidered. Just a good graphical tee, so it was actually only $3. Okay, the first kitchen item I got was a crock pot. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is like the normal standard size crock pot. I don't know how many quarts that technically is. This is like a pretty nice crock pot. It's not like one of those big like oval ones because I just don't need one that's that size. It is kind of dirty, but that's okay. Nothing a little dishwasher and scrub daddy can't fix. But I looked up the serial number on this, and it actually was made last year, so it's really cool. And that's a good little tip and trick for you guys. Love that. Next two pieces, well, it's more than two, are decor items. This is from the thrift store that definitely is a hole in the wall type of thrift. Hello. So I got a little glass set of these adorable little cups, and they were $1.50 each. And I don't know if you guys are able to see this or not, but these are just so pretty, and they're all multicolored. So this one is like a green yellow. It's making me want to get a bar cart, even though I really don't have space for it. Then I got this blue one. I got all the colors that were sitting there. So there's a green, a blue, an orange. Love that. And I'll show you guys a close-up here in just a second. And then like a red, and it kind of looks orange in some light, but when you look at it from like sitting like this, it's red. So I thought those were beautiful. Love a good little primary color moment. This next thing I got is something that I actually saw a while ago at a completely different thrift store, and I passed up on it. I think it was at Goodwill. And I don't know if you guys have seen all of like the really like 90s shell and gold decor coming back in style, but I really love that style for my apartment. I think I have a really interesting mix. Okay, Bean is loving the newspaper down here. Let me just show you guys really quick. Okay, he's the main character, I'm sorry. Anyways, all the really like cool shell Pinterest inspo. So I got this little shell kind of catch-all dish, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it on my coffee table. My coffee table is like super 80s, 90s vibe. Okay guys, this is the next day and I'm just checking back in on this vlog because I went to one more thrift store. I know I told you guys I probably wasn't gonna go to another one, or actually I don't even know if I said that because that's never to be trusted. I'm gonna show you one piece of clothing that I found and then the rest is home decor. I found stuff that I honestly could probably resell and get like $500, $600 off of it, but I'm not going to because I'm selfish and I want it for my home. But first, I got the most absolute perfect little, like, I don't know, it's giving Freaky Friday. I don't know why Freaky Friday, Lindsay Lohan's popping up in my head, but I watched that last night. But it's like this little flower, definitely 2000s vibe, bell sleeve, cute little top. And it's from the brand Angel vs. Devil. And then this next couple things I got, like I said, are home decor. So I'm going to show you first these pots. And I could not find the lid, but these are the most beautiful pots I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm so sad that there isn't a lid because even the lid is printed with this design that's on here. But these, I got 3 of them. So I got a full pot. These, I looked them up, these go for literally like $600 on eBay with the lid. And there were 3 or 4 more, but I just didn't want to pay. Like, these are almost like $7 each. So I think the person at Salvation Army who priced these probably knew that they were vintage. But when I looked these up, I could be wrong. Sometimes it's hard to find information on stuff like this, but it said that these were from 1962, and I mean, I believe it. Like, look how beautiful this pattern is. So I'm going to take you guys over and now show you the first out of 2 amazing, like, holy grail lamps I found. Please look. So here she is in all her glory. I have not cleaned any of these items yet, so obviously, like, she's dirty. But this lamp, I cannot find anything on it on Google. It's kind of hard to look stuff up when there's not like a brand on it, but I just absolutely love this. This is something I've had on my Pinterest for a long time, and I've been wanting to find a lamp like this because it would match this coffee table that I got on Facebook Marketplace from an old woman who said that she's had this since like the 60s. So I really wanted something to match that, and I think I definitely found the perfect lamp to match my coffee table. So this next one, I have it in my room, but this next lamp is just like kind of more of a 2000s sheer little lampshade, and it's tall, and I don't have a lot of black in my room, and because it is already like so bright, I kind of am digging like the checkered black rug I have sitting over here. I needed like another touch of black, so I'm gonna clean this desk all up, put this lamp on the right side so I can kind of have more of my desk side on this huge IKEA desk, and then more of like my makeup vanity side, and I'll show you guys maybe in this vlog or maybe in another one kind of what that looks like. Yeah, those are the things I got from the thrift. I'm loving it. My apartment is super messy right now because I just have been go the past couple days, but I just cannot wait to get all this cleaned up and just sitting and relaxing in my home. I feel like there's just so many different vibes and eras going on in my apartment, but honestly I love it. So we're getting there. We're not done, but we're getting there. So I will talk to you guys in either my next vlog or maybe I'll continue vlogging. I don't know, it'll be a surprise.